video we are going to assemble the Clover handle bag. And this is a very quick and simple bag. I've made it in two separate pieces so that you can enlarge it if you want it bigger. And I'm gonna grab my ruler. This bag is 4 inches wide and 4 inches deep to the top of the bag, not the Clover handle, and 1.5 inches deep. So it's a nice size for putting some treats in, and it has sides on it so that it closes, so you just have to kind of squeeze it together here to crease these lines. This will allow the bag to squeeze shut at the top. Then we just want to fold the other side on all the score lines. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bag together, just half of it, so that it's still flat and I can put the front and back panels on. You'll want to take a look at your panels first, make sure you're getting the right one for the right side, because the stems are opposite. That's really the only thing you have to be careful of. And you just want to kind of give yourself a border all the way around everything. Definitely a project that's easy enough to do with the kids and easy enough to do lots of if you needed to make, oh, my glue is stopping up, if you needed to make several for classroom, or you're having a St. Patrick's Day party and you want to put out favors for your guests. This is a cute bag and you can make a lot of them really fast. I thought I had this cleared. Looks like I need a new lid. And then we'll just close up the bottom. It's a super quick, simple, really cute. You can change its look by changing your pattern paper that you choose to use. You could keep it tied shut with a ribbon. I'm going to grab my bone folder to get the inside to stay down better. And there it is. There is the Clover handled bag. Thank you for joining me.